How does shed kit delivery work? Carrier partners use many types of trucks. This is just one example. You will need strong scissors or pliers to open the packaging. You are responsible for unloading the shed kit. We recommend 2 adults for the task. It takes 30 to 40 minutes. If you want the driver to unload the kit, select Carrier Unload option when placing the order. They will unload next to their vehicle, where they can park safely for the duration of the unloading process. Check your email for an assembly manual. A paper version is included with your kit. Sort the parts by size for easier identification during the assembly. Look for the hardware package. Carry doors and windows together with your unloading partner. The carrier asks you to collect all packaging materials, including the pallet. Sign the paperwork. When moving the parts, watch for the interlocked boards, slide them out carefully, do not lift or tug. After unloading, sort all the parts by size. It makes assembly easier and helps with counting the inventory. Happy shed assembly!